Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to upload a receipt on the Upside app. Now if you want to upload the receipt on the Upside app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Upside app on a device. So if you have not installed the app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. And also for those of you wondering what is an Upside app, Upside app is a cashback app that allows users to earn rewards on purchase at the gas stations, grocery stores, or even at restaurants. So to upload the receipt on the Upside app, you just need to open the Upside app on the device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may log in by using the option of Google, Apple, Facebook, or you may simply sign into your account by choosing the email address of your choice. So after that, you just need to find the transaction or tap on the option of claimed offer. So you just need to open this option. You just need to find the transaction on tap on the claimed offer section and select the offer for which you want to upload a receipt. So after selecting the offer for which you want to upload receipt, you just need to tap on the option which is upload receipt at the very bottom, or also you may see the option of submit receipt. That depends on the app version, and from there you need to simply use the phone's camera to take a clear picture of your receipt and ensure that the date, time, store name and total amount are visible on the receipt itself. And after that you just need to click on the option of submit and wait for the Upside to review your receipt. And the processing usually takes within few hours, but it may also take up to 24 to 48 hours to review it. So that's it. That's how you can upload a receipt on Upside app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.